You're listening to Take 5, the podcast where we pause the noise and tune into the stories that matter. Real people, real life, right here in our community. Let's go.
Hi, my name is Angie Haslam, and welcome to another tasty recipe for my family favorites. Each recipe in this series is from a collection of my family's all-time favorite snacks and meals that I know will be a hit around my kitchen table. Are you ready for a peanut butter and chocolate bomb? First off, let me just say I encourage experimentation with peanut butter cookies. They can take lots of different adjustments of sweeteners, flours, add-ons like fruit, coconut, nuts, and of course chocolate.
Are you confused about social media marketing? How often should you be posting? Maybe you should be working on your dance moves for TikTok or Instagram, or sharing pictures of your cat to get followers. Nobody has time for all of that, and you need to focus on your business. And we at Take 5 News Magazine can take care of the rest. Whatever your business and whatever your budget, we can help you with a straightforward, effective marketing campaign. And we promise we won't make you dance. Visit our website at take5.ca.
This recipe, however, is like a sandy texture, a roasty peanut flavor, and lots of chocolate. That's my favorite part. Tips for success: chop the chocolate. Totally. Just get in there with your big knife, chop it up. Also, get the freshest natural peanut butter you can without any additives or sugar. Smooth type is my favorite. And the last tip I have for you is don't overbake it. You know, these peanut butter cookies, they get really crumbly and dry when they've been in the oven too long. So check and recheck your first batch to get the time just right so the edges are golden and the centers are soft. And that's it. Check out the recipe in the May issue and bake up some to bring to a potluck or just for a weekend treat and taste the satisfaction of a homemade cookie. Yum.
That's a wrap on this edition of Take 5. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with us. Until next time, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and hey, Take 5.